The instructions of waste incinerator in Shandong Better Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited. The instructions is divided into 5 parts: the composition of incinerator, the installation of incinerator, the preparation work before start, the start of incinerator, the stop of incinerator. 1. The composition of incinerator. The incinerator consists of 4 parts: main body, control system, full oil system, and air system. The main body includes 4 parts: first combustion chamber, second combustion chamber, environmental protection desulfurization chamber, and chimney. The control system consists of distribution box, 2 thermocouples, and control circuit. The fuel oil system consists of 1 oil tank, 2 combustors, and oil pipeline. The air system includes air blower, air pipeline, and 4 butterfly valves. Other spare parts consists of bolts, asbestos ropes, line ball, steel wire ropes, and rubber rings, etc. 2. The installation of incinerator. Make sure all parts of incinerator are complete before installation according to the equipment list. The installation requires 1 crane, 3 workers, 1 professional electrician, and prepared concrete base. The installation is very easy, but please operate according to instructions and pay attention to the safety. Some safety measures should be taken. The installation of control system requires professional electrician to accomplish. Below operation steps are based on the models larger than 150 kilograms. Some steps are optional for the models smaller than 150 kilograms. Operation steps. 1. Fix the first combustion chamber on the concrete base. Put the asbestos ropes seal ring on the joint of the second combustion chamber. Put second combustion chamber above the joint with help of crane. Align the screw holes and tighten the screws. Put the asbestos ropes seal ring on the second combustion chamber in the same way. Lift the desulfurization chamber on the second combustion chamber. Make sure the doors of desulfurization chamber and second combustion chamber are in the same side. Align the screw holes and tighten the screws. Then put the asbestos rope seal ring on the desulfurization chamber. 2. Assemble the chimney according to the part number. Put the asbestos ropes in the joint of the chimney. Align the screw holes and tighten the screws. Cut the steel wire rope into 3 parts averagely. Fix one end of steel wire rope on the torus of the chimney. Then lift the chimney on the desulfurization chamber evenly. Align the screw holes and tighten the screws. Fix 3 steel wire ropes on the ground and tight object. And try to minimize the angle with ground. 3. Pull the butterfly valves on the joint of air pipeline. Align the air pipeline and butterfly valves. Adjust the installing direction of butterfly valves for easy operation. Align the screw holes and tighten the screws. Pull the rubber rings on the interface of the air blower and install the air blower. Connect the control wiring with the interface according to the air blower instruction. 4. Fix the oil tank on the second combustion chamber with a screw. Connect the oil pipeline and oil filter. The oil pipeline is divided into up oil outlet pipe and down oil return pipe. Connect the exit end of the oil filter with the oil pipeline. Connect the entry end with the up of oil separator. Install the bigger power combustors on the second combustion chamber. The smaller power one on the first combustion chamber. Connect the oil pipeline according to the instructions of combustor. Open the control box on the combustor. Connect the fire wire with the number 1 port on the terminal board and connect the null wire with the number 2 port. There are 2 wires in the number 3 port. Dismantle the fire wire of the built-in air blower in the combustor and connect the 3rd control wire of control circuit. Then wrap it with the insulating tape. 5. Install the distribution box on the first combustion chamber. Connect the control circuit based on the mark on the internal interface of distribution box. Install 2 thermocouples on the interface of second combustion chamber. Connect to the circuit a thermocouple according to the mark of anode and cathode in the control box. Check and confirm the following items after installation. 1. Main body of incinerator and chimney should be vertical to the ground. 2. All the screws and interfaces have been well connected and fixed. 3. The anode and cathode of control circuit and distribution system are correct. 4. All the parts of the incinerators are intact. 3. The preparation work before start. Firstly, be familiar with the control panel of the distribution box. The biggest red button is emergency stop button. The red one is power light and the green one is start light. Below are green start button and red stop button. Timing start button. Timing start time adjustment device. First combustor start button. First combustor inbuilt air blower start button. The second combustor start button. Second combustor inbuilt air blower button. First combustion chamber's temperature display device. Second combustion chamber's temperature display device. DZ47 main power switch. The preparation before start. 1. Put the line bulb into desulfurization chamber. 2. Fit in with corresponding waste capacity into first chamber and close the door for sealing. 3. Fill enough diesel into the oil tank according to the waste capacity. Open the switch of the oil pipeline. Check the oil pipeline and ensure no leakage for safety. 4. Close the switch of butterfly valve of air pipe. 5. The emergency stop button is on pop-up situation. 6. Switch off all the buttons on the control panel. 7. Connect the 200 volts cable with DZ47 switch in the distribution box and connect the anode and cathode according to marks. 4. The start of incinerator. 1. Adjust the working time of incinerator. Power should be cut off during adjustment. The default time is 8 hours. After adjustment,